Yesterday morning, someone asked our neighbor to ask our organic vegetables, and he asked only one organic vegetable, but I give two organic vegetables. So please watch my video from start to the end, because just only I think 6 minutes more than my video. To those who didn't subscribe yet my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and please don't skip the ads, at saka magsuportahan tayo sa isa't isa. Kung ano yung pag-watch nyo sa akin ay yun din ang aking gagawin. Kaya please support each other. Support ko, support mo, support natin lahat. And thank you for watching my video, and see you again sa aking next video na i-upload. Ganda tingnan ng flowers ng patola. Ayan, kung sa Ilocano, Kabatite. During daytime, these flowers remain open, but around 4 or 5 p.m. it will be closed, these flowers. Ayan. May bunga isa, dalawa, isa dito. Kasi bukod dito sa taas namin, meron doon. Mas marami doon sa baba ang bunga, saka mga flowers. Ayan. May kamatis din dito. Ayan, meron parating na bunga, maliit pa. Ganda ng flowers. Ayan, ito din. Ayan. Ganda tingnan ng flowers. Beautiful flowers of patola, or kabatiti in Ilocano, and tori in Ordo language. Ayan, ang ganda ng mga flowers. These flowers remain open at daytime, and during afternoon around 4 p.m. it will be closed, those flowers. Ayan, ganda ng pagkabuka ng flowers. Ayan, yellow na yellow. Ayan. And there are some fruits also. Ayan, dalawang bisis na kaming kumuha nito. Itong bunga niya. Ayan, merong mga parating. Ayan. Ayan, And then, ito malaki na. Pwede na ito pitasin. Ayan, malaki na ito masyado. Kaya need na ito pitasin. Ayan. And then, marami pang darating na bunga. Ayan, mga flowers hanggang doon. Ayan. Ayan, mga flowers. Ayan. Ayan yung gapangan niya hanggang doon. Ayan, ito. Meron din dito. Ayan, maliliit pa Ayan, daming parating. Mashallah. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung bubuyog Ayan, sige, sariling sikap ka dyan. Ayan, bunga. Bukod dito sa baba, meron din kami doon sa taas. Ayan. Ang ganda tingnan, di ba? Ayan. Beautiful flowers of Patola, Kabatiti in Ilocano, and in Ordo, they call it Tori. These flowers remain open during daytime, and around 4 p.m. Pakistan time, it will be closed, and then the following day, it will be open again. Beautiful flowers. Ayan, oh, ang ganda. Yellow na yellow, and there are also some fruits. Ito yung bunga, ready to harvest na ito. 2 o 3 beses na kaming nag-harvest nito. Ayan, marami pang mga parating. Ayan, ayan, ayan hanggang doon. And then, ayan, ayan, oh. Ayan, meron din dito bunga. Ayan, ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng flowers. Ayan. Hanggang doon yung gapangan. Ayan. Ayan. As you can see, the flowers of Sponsgard is already closed because time now here in Pakistan is 4 p.m. And during daytime, flowers of this Sponsgard is open. And today morning, I get one Sponsgard here, and someone asked from our neighbor, so I get one from here, and over there I get also one. Now flowers is already closed. Ayan, may bunga. Yan, I think meron pa dito isa. Saan na ba yun? Ayan. Oh, ito. Mashallah yan. So, next time ko ito kukunin. Isa lang yung kinuha ko kaninang umaga. Ayan. You see, flowers now are closed. Ayan. Because 4 p.m. now. This one is still not closed, but it will be closed, this one. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan, close na. Ayan, matutulog na sila. Matutulog na. Matutulog na itong mga flowers. Tomorrow again, morning around 7 o'clock like that, it will be open again, those flowers. So, kunin na natin ito. May hihingi sa kapitbahay namin. Ayan. Isa, then one more, we will go that down. Ayan. That is big. Bismillah. Ayan. So, dalawang ibibigay ko, one from hair down and one from up. Just 20 minutes ago, I make video that I'm planning to harvest this one, but someone come here to ask our neighbor. Their house is over there. They asked this one. So, I will give this to Tori. Their house is over there. That one who asked now. Okay. So, ibibigay ko ito dalawa para lutuin nila ulam. Bigyan ko din sila ng patatas para ihalo. Patola o Sponsgard o kaya Tori, at dinagdagan ko na din ng organic potatoes. So, sila na lang bahala ang pangsahog na karne ng baka o kaya karne ng manok. Pwede din walang sahog. Kaya ito yung aking ibibigay. Doon, over there, their house down. Ayan.